hearts, deeper emotions shared throughout making the film?
Thank you.
I think that answers your question. Thank you very much, Sir Alan Policarpio. Wow, that first question really opened the floor for everyone. Now let's hear it from Jimpy Anarcon of Freebie Manila.
Hi, good evening, Alden, Julia, and everyone. Congratulations. Pero, sorry, makaiyakan ulit to, no? Pero, iyahabol ko na, hindi kasi Alden, you mentioned earlier, or just a little while kanina na, you were not in a good place when you were doing this. So parang, ewan ko lang if you want to detail it, pero ba't mo nasabi yun? Anong meron before doing this movie?
Well, I don't want to go into details because it's very personal, but I think what I can share is how much good yung nagawa ng paggawa ng 5 breakups and romance sa buhay ko during that time. Kwento ko sa kanila. And, you know, sometimes you think parang you're strong.
Sorry, may take to ng
Shot na lang. Pero minsan isipin mo parang sasabihin mo sa mundo, okay lang ako mag-isa. Kaya ko mag-isa. Pero hindi yun. I think more than the movie, more than the script, more than the work, more than the talent fee, and the opportunity that was given to me, it's really more ano yung nakuha ko sa kanila, to all the people who's here, to the cast. Kaya na sinasabi ni Gil kanina, Miss Jackie, there are no small roles.
Introducing the official trailer kasi lahat kami dito excited na mapanood.
Yes, very much. Mga kapuso and mga kapamilya, we are very proud para i-admit po sa inyo ang kauna-unahang official trailer po natin. Jules, please do the honors.
Hinahanda po namin sa inyo ang official trailer ng 5 breakups and a romance.
Let's go.
Good job, congratulations.
Pinagandaan! Pinagandaan!
Sa likod naman sa
Guwapo naman. Guwapo naman yan.
3, 2, 1. Sige po, pause lang po, dalawang ikot. Pause lang po. Okay, 3.
Naka-post na kami.
Boss, pag yan hindi maganda, huwag ka sa akin.
Naman, natakpan.
Aurahan mo nga ba? Aura maganda yung output. Samahan ko kayo. Yan, ready? Sige po, 3, 2, 1. Sige ma'am, pause lang po ma'am. Poster. Aura. Yes, Aura.
Sa residensya sa Manila. Pangarap ko lang po sa akin.
First time niya po yan.
First time mo to?
O sige, kaya dalian mo na dyan.